Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can restore backups on Siteground. So what you want to do first is click when you're going to be in websites, and you can have a website right here. I'm using a demo account, and you want to press settings. Then under security you're going to find backups, and then you're going to have the backups right here that you created. So click three dots and you're going to restore all files and databases and confirm. So if you mistakenly deleted something on WordPress or something, this is how pretty much hit it, and you can restore it. Nothing difficult, nothing hard. So again, you're gonna go to here in your website, then under security you're gonna find backups, and then on the bottom right you're gonna security backups, three dots, and restore all files. So that's pretty much how you're gonna do it.